Hi, today I'm going to show you two title animations in Premiere Pro which will enhance your video a lot. So let's get to the video. This is the video on which we will be placing the title. We will write the title and adjust the font of it. Make sure to choose a font which looks a bit thick since the video will be going inside the text. Now go to Effect panel and search for Track Matte key. Select and apply it on the video and not on the text since the video will be going inside the text. Now go to Matte and select the layer in which your text is there. For example, here it is at V2. So now you can play the video and see a change. But this looks too simple, so let's add some animation. For adding animation, select text layer, activate a keyframe in the scale and increase the scale to 10,000 because that's the max. After you're done with increasing the scale to 10,000, you should be able to see the whole video and there shouldn't be any part of the text on the video. Now go towards the end of the text and reduce the scale back to 100. Automatically another keyframe will be created and here is your first title animation. So let's go for the second one, that is quite easier. By the way, before we start the second animation, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. So the second one is called as block animation. For this one, go to Effect panel and search for block dissolve. Select it and apply it on the text layer. Now go to editing and make block width and block height as 100. Make the transition completion as 100% and make a keyframe. As we did for the previous animation, we need to repeat the same steps here also. That is, go near the ending part of the text and change the transition completion to 0%. This will automatically make a keyframe. And here is your final result. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also let me know in the comment section which animation did you like the most. Thank you.